Kia ora koutou, ko ana hood tōku ingoa. I'm an international lawyer here at the Auckland Law Faculty, and it's my pleasure today to be able to talk to you a little bit about international law and the postgraduate programs that we offer in it. I'm biased because I'm an international lawyer, but I think it's one of the most interesting areas of law that you can study. One of the main reasons for that is that it's such a rich and diverse area of law. It covers a really broad array of topics. You've got the laws of war and conflict, you've got refugee law, human rights law, trade law, international health law, the rights of Indigenous peoples, law of the sea, law of space, and the list goes on and on. It really covers all facets of human life. We're very fortunate here at the Auckland Law Faculty to have a phenomenal talent with international law. There are about 17 international lawyers on faculty, and they all research and teach an array of different international legal topics. In addition to teaching lots of different areas of law, they also come at it from different approaches. So some of our faculty members focus on thinking about some of the big topics and issues of our day and how international law might be able to assist or ameliorate the problems and issues we're facing as an international community. Other international lawyers take a more critical approach, and in addition to thinking about how international law might be able to assist and help with some issues, they think about how at times international law can actually be part of some of the problems we face. So for example, they think about how international law has been implicated with colonisation and how it can contribute at times to issues like the migration and refugee crises that we've been experiencing. In addition to researching and teaching a lot of different areas of international law, many of our international lawyers on faculty also have a practical element to their working life. So we have international lawyers who are involved with work at the United Nations, who advise governments around the world, and who work with different non-government organisations. All of this experience and expertise in our faculty means that we're able to put together a really fantastic offering of courses in our postgraduate program on international law. Every year there are a wide array of different topics taught. In addition to having members of our faculty teaching into the program, we also bring in a number of international experts. I think one of the things that makes our international law program really special here at Auckland is not just the fact that we have phenomenal teachers and researchers to lead our classes, but it's also the student cohort that we bring together every year. The cohort is made up not just of New Zealand students, but students also from Africa, Asia, the Americas, Europe, really all corners of the world. If you come and join us here in Auckland to do an international law postgraduate degree, you'll not only have an amazing academic experience, but you'll also be equipping yourselves well to go out into the world and take up an array of different career opportunities. It'll open doors to working in the United Nations or international courts and tribunals, working with governments and foreign affairs departments, or working in the myriad NGOs that exist these days to address issues such as human rights concerns, environmental issues, or many of the other international topics I've touched on. I really hope that I get the chance to welcome you to Auckland Law School very soon and look forward to seeing you in class. Kia ora.